Let's try to edit our document through looking at font style. What a font style, how helpful font styles could be. Onto our document, you go to start menu button or the window button, then check all programs. From all programs, keep going, then you look for Microsoft Office, then inside you get Microsoft Word. When you open, your document may appear like this. New blank document may appear like this, but you may have to type in some work before you try to edit or making the font style. Now let's understand the different font styles or how to apply font styles in our document. Right now our work is blank. We can as well get some information through copy and paste due to time. Then we may increase the visibility. Then let's try to change the font style. When we talk of font style, we are looking at how letters are modeled. This is not about color. It's all about letters. Different companies and organizations have different way of their way of writing, or that's what we call the font type. There is a certain newspaper that uses old style. There is another uses Times New Roman and others. So when we come here, right now our text is inside. Oh, sorry. When you open your document, you may have to go to the menu bar onto home. Onto home, it's where you will find the parity that helps you to change the fonts. This is what we call a font palette, where you can change the font face, the way your letters look. So when you come here right now, our document is in Calibri body, so you can continue having it to Fontlight TM. When you say Fontlight TM, your document will appear like that, or the wording will change to that. Let's see this. So when you change this to another font size, a Haroni, it will look like that. So look, we have these two fonts, and when you click here, the current font will be visible here. When I click here, the current font will be visible in my document. Right now Haloni is current. When I click here, if you want to find out which font type they have used or font style, click here, then you'll be seeing it here. So if you want to apply it again to another color, it's what you will, or another word, it's what you will apply. Still, we can continue by selecting. You go here and say change font style or font. You can continue and pick it from this side. Corporate Gothic. Corporate Gothic, we can little bit select and reduce for visual matters. You can as well continue to come and say home, then font type. You can pick the font type of any of your choice. You can briefly go, and there are many for purposes that we don't get documents that are looking the same. Whichever company can use any of to identify its needs and to show the design that it briefly wants. When you look onto several organizations, they use different font styles because there are many, so you can also choose for your organization. You see, they keep going according to what for you may be looking for. As well, I was looking for this. I can pick this. You see? Another thing, if you know the exact font that you want to use. In your head, you know the name of that font. For instance, let's say I want to use Georgia. Let's say I want to use Georgia onto and apply it here. I can just go straight here and I click. When you click there, type that font if you know very sure that that font exists. You see, I've tried to type in Georgia. Just before I could finish, the font is there. Then you can as well say OK by clicking enter button. Then that one font style will appear into your document.